With the current shortage of tradespeople and materials, you might be questioning whether now is the right time to start your home renovations. Surprisingly, despite rising costs, many Queenslanders are still diving into home improvement projects. In fact, ABS data shows that financing volumes for renovations have more than doubled since pre-COVID levels. During the COVID lockdowns, many of us took the opportunity to improve our lifestyle at home through property renovations, spurred on by a variety of government incentives. Popular renovation choices included updating bathrooms, kitchens and swimming pools. However, it is crucial to consider how much to invest in renovations without risking overcapitalisation. Regardless of what kind of a renovator you are, most of us would agree that it's best to avoid spending money on our property that's not able to be recouped down the track if and when we eventually sell. You want to ensure that your renovation adds value without eating into your home equity more than necessary. The reality is that not all renovations are equal and differ significantly in their contribution to the overall increased value of your home. So, before you pick up the hammer or a power tool, it's always a good idea to think very carefully about where to concentrate your renovations. Hi, I'm Antonia Mercabella, CEO of the Real Estate Institute of Queensland. Thanks so much for watching this video, which is a segment from Prop IQ, a show produced by the REIQ to help provide insights into real estate for both people in the industry and consumers. I'd love it if you could subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the notification bell. That way you'll get notified whenever we post a new video. Speaking of new videos, you might want to check out this one next.